So nenzani now asithi you part of the writing team.
Yeah.
Nenzani like neba serumini.
Yeah.
Niyadiscussa then nomunye hlala lapha uyabhala nenzani.
So the ways here's ngakhona so.
Yes.
Sithuma ngalokho. Before lo ayozibhalela nalo ezibhalela kose sazi ukuthi sobhala ini. And into esazi ukuthi sibhala ini kose sihlanganise sisonke. Nalonga yokubhala storyline kosabe khona nasihlanganisa ukuthi story lesi sokhamba so. Sesihlanganisa ngama steps amakhulu.
Yes.
Ukuthi in 3 months yokwenzeka so, then in 3 months kwenzeka so. Then wena u1 uyakhamba lento leyi bathi yokwenza in 3 months we break it down into episodes now, into day by day. Namhlanje kwenzekana. But vani kuyinto esenikhulumile yonke ukuthi yapi.
Yes.
Kenzeka ukuthi uphelelwe kubhalokho ukuthi kusasa mara kungenzakalani.
Yeah, because the pressure ekhona for storylining, especially mabhalela for soapy. Number 1, abantu abafuna ukubukela into ebhorako. That means whatever uyibhalako kose ngabhori, kose ba entertain. Number 2, lento bayibuza ukuthi credibility. Abantu kose kholwe, you know. Nabhala into and there are ways to do that. Mara credibility ibalekile. Number 3, into ebuthiwa irrelevance. Okay, ngiyayibona uyibhalile mara kimi ibaleke ngani mina ingithina ngani kuba yini kose ngiyazi. Ukuthola ibalance into ezilezo ukuthi into lekholweke mara ibe mnandi and then ibe relevant kimi. Yeah, kulapho because idea uyaba nayo. Nasi yakhamba just like simnandi. Uyithole mnandi. Imnandi ayikholweka yekho umuntu ozoyikhola le. So that becomes a challenge. How do we find that balance?